Children, welcome back to part 2 of the poem Rum Tum Tugger, written by the poet T.S. Eliot. Children, let's quickly start a recap of the poem and then we'll do the remaining part. The Rum Tum Tugger is a curious cat who wants exactly the opposite of what is given to him. If he is given a pheasant, he wants a grouse, and if he is given a grouse, he wants a pheasant, or if he is in the house, he wants to go out, and if he is out, he wants to come in. He wants to lie in the bureau drawer, and if he is not able to come out of it, he creates a mess. And the poet says there is no use of saying anything about him or to shout at him because he will do as he wants to do. It is his nature. Next, the poet says the Rum Tum Tugger is a curious beast. His disobliging ways are a matter of habit. If you offer him fish, then he always wants a feast. When there is not any fish, then he won't eat rabbit. The Rum Tum Tugger is a curious beast. Children, beast here means an animal. The Rum Tum Tugger is a curious cat, a curious animal, and his disobliging ways. Disobliging here means uncooperative ways or to disobey someone. These ways are a matter of his habit. It is his habit to disobey everyone or to do the opposite of what he is asked to do. If you offer him fish, he wants only a feast. Feast means a large meal he wants instead of fish. And if there is not any fish in the house, he is not ready to eat even rabbit. If you offer him cream, then he sniffs and sneers. Cats, they love to have milk, cream, but the Rum Tum Tugger, if he is given cream, he only sniffs. Sniffs means to smell, and sneers means to show he dislikes it, or in the a mocking smile he shows if he is given cream to eat, for he only likes what he finds for himself. So you will catch him in it right up to the ears when if you put it away on the larder shelf. Larder means a store, you can say, or a cupboard or small room used for storing food. If you put it away on the larder shelf, then you will find him up to his ears, means to have the more of anything. You will find him up to his ears in cream, but if he is given cream to eat, then he only sniffs and sneers. Now the poet says the Rum Tum Tugger is artful and knowing. The Rum Tum Tugger doesn't care for a cuddle. Why the poet is saying the Rum Tum Tugger is artful and knowing? Artful means in this line the poet is showing, or the poet shows the cunning behavior of the cat. The Rum Tum Tugger doesn't care for a cuddle. Cuddle means to hold someone closely in his or her arms. He doesn't care for it. But he will leap on your lap in the middle of your swing. When the poet is ready to give him a cuddle, he is not ready for that, but he likes to disturb the poet when he is doing something. Sewing means the stitching activity. When the poet is doing any type of stitching activity, At that time, he wants to disturb him by jumping into his lap. For there is nothing he enjoys like a horrible muddle. Muddle means an untidy or confused state. It means for there is nothing he enjoys like a horrible muddle means he enjoys these type of confusing state the most, making others confuse also, making everything untidy, creating a mess. He likes this the most. That's why again the poet says, yes, the Rum Tum Tugger is a curious cat, and there is not any need for me to spout it. To spout it means to say more words about it or to say something to the cat. The poet thinks it is unnecessary on his part to say anything more about the cat because everything about the Rum Tum Tugger is the opposite of everything you would expect from him. He will do as he do and there is no doing about it. It is his nature. He will do the opposite of what is expected of him. Again, the poet says, there is no need to say anything about it. It is his nature. So, dear children, I hope all of you must have understood the poem. Thank you.